This video will explain how to register and join the ASA's online annual meeting. It will illustrate the process for asking questions and using your control panel for the meeting. To register for the meeting, go to www.cimitol.org/annual meeting. Fill out the form with your first and last name and your email address. Fill in your ASA member number if you have it available. Click Submit and check your email for your meeting confirmation email. This email will include specific join information that you will need to join the meeting. The email will be from Linda Kessler at customercare@gotowebinar.com. If you do not see this email, please check your spam folder. In the email, you will find your join link, check system requirements, and audio options. When it's time, you can join the meeting by clicking on the Join Webinar link. Prior to the meeting, you need to click on Test System Requirements. This runs a very basic test identifying your operation system, the browser that you're using, and your internet connection strength. The browsers that are best supported are Firefox and Google Chrome. If you are using Internet Explorer or Safari, I suggest that you use Firefox or Chrome, or you may run into issues, connection issues, and have audio difficulties. Next, you need to click on Try a Test Session. You will see this window pop up that asks if you want to go to Opener. Click on Open Go to Opener. You should see a box pop up that displays a connection with Olivia. She is a virtual organizer that probably won't join the meeting, but this does complete the connection. So the day of the meeting, click on Join the Webinar link that is located in your confirmation email. Once the webinar ID is verified, the meeting software will open. You will see this window pop up that asks if you want to go to Opener. Click on Open Go to Opener. When you enter the meeting, you will be in listen-only mode. This is your control panel. This is where you will select your audio, view your handouts, and ask questions. The first item you want to take care of is choosing your audio. Here at the top is where you do this. To test your mic and speakers, click on Sound Check. On the Audio tab, click the green arrow, and you should hear music through your speakers. If you do not hear music, make sure that your volume is turned up and double check that you have speakers. You can use a headset. Next, click on the Mic tab to test your microphone. Even though you are muted, you can still test your mic. Start speaking and notice whether the gray bars are turning green. If they are, then your mic is working. If the gray bars are not turning green as you speak, then your mic is either not enabled or you do not have a mic. To check your mic setup, click on the gear icon located at the top right. Here you can see if you have a mic installed. Because we cannot assist everyone with their audio setup, you also have the option of calling into the meeting with your telephone. The phone number is a long distance number, so you may choose to use your cell phone to avoid the fee. If you need to use your phone, you need to designate this in your control panel. To open and close your control panel, click on the orange arrow located here. Once in your control panel, click on the radio button labeled Phone Call. Upon doing this, you will see a phone number, an access code, and an audio PIN. It is important to input your audio PIN in order to connect your computer access with your phone. If you do not enter this PIN, then you will not be able to ask questions or comment through your phone. You will be able to chat your questions, and I will show you this in a moment. Upon entering the meeting, you will see our welcome page, and once the meeting starts, you will see our PowerPoint presentations on your screen and the option to view our video. You can choose the location of the webcam, and you can size it to your liking. During the meeting, you will be invited to comment or ask questions. You can do this either through your chat or by using your phone or microphone. This is how you can chat. Open your control panel, click on the arrow to the left of the Questions tab located here. Next, type your question in the white space below. Click Send when you are finished. The moderator will read your question, and the appropriate person will answer your question. To ask a question through your microphone or telephone, click on the little hand located here to raise your hand. The moderator will call on you, and at this time will also unmute your mic so you can speak. When the moderator unmutes your mic, this also means unmuting your phone. That's why it was important to input your PIN number so we can control the mute and unmute for your audio. Once the moderator calls your name, please wait about 3 seconds before speaking to allow the connection to respond. There may be a couple seconds of lag time. When you are finished with your question and comments, the moderator will mute your microphone or telephone and call on the next person. To download handouts provided for you to view, click on the white arrow to the left of the Handouts tab. Next, click on the links to view the handouts. This should get you started and well into joining our annual meeting. Please note that the webinar link is unique to you, and you cannot share this link. Since it does not allow for multiple connections, each member will need their own registration link. If you have any questions, please contact Kathy Schaefer at kschaefer@syngene.com or call our office during office hours at 406-587-4531 and ask for Kathy.